Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix too many login failures in your location in Steam. So if you are getting this error, first of all what you can see if Steam servers are running or not. So open your browser and search Steam status and then go to this website steamstat.us. So open this status and look for your region or country and see if Steam servers are operational and online or not. It may be the error or the issue may be from Steam's end, so be sure like that. So after that, if the status are okay, the servers are fine and online, what you can do is you can clean Steam's cache. So to do that, go to your desktop and find your Steam shortcut, right click on it and then open file location. So this would be your Steam exe file location. So scroll up, you'll see this config folder here. Go to in here and delete this config.pdf and then login users. Delete these two files and it will delete Steam's saved caches. So after deleting, try restarting Steam and see if the issue is there or not. So if you still have an issue, what you can do is you can go and disconnect your Ethernet from your device. Like if you have Ethernet, simply pull out your Ethernet cable and then launch Steam and then log in offline mode. And then after logging in offline mode, what you'll have to do is you'll have to plug your Ethernet cable or connect to Wi-Fi and see if the situation fixes itself or not. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully these processes will help you bypass the error. Bye bye, take care.